Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can create your public Telegram channel. And to do this, you just tap on your Telegram app. But before we get started, let me just give you a brief explanation of what a Telegram channel is. So a Telegram channel is used in broadcasting messages to the subscribers of the channel. So let's say you want to share an update or an information, urgent information, or share a development about a project. Well, the best way to share this information is via the Telegram channel. And for example, you can see the SMC D channel here. You can see that it's being used to just share information, to broadcast information to the subscribers of the channel, right? Alright guys, so let's get started to creating our own channel. And to do this, you tap on the pen icon here. Alright, so once you tap on the pen icon, you tap on new channel, then you impute your channel name, and for this video we'll be using SMC tutors. Alright, then description, you just give your description that you want. Let's say I'm sharing crypto knowledge for this channel. Okay, alright, so then we check it, and then we select the channel type. Do we want a public channel or a private channel? For this video, we'll be going with the public channel, and the public channel means that this channel can be found in searches and anyone can join. However, for a private channel, it's only going to be joined by an invite link. Alright, so let's create our public link, and we'll be using SMC tutors channel. Let's see if this is available. Alright, so this is available, and then we check it, that is, we're done, and then you tap on this arrow, forward arrow, and the channel has been created. Alright guys, so as you can see beneath, it says broadcast. So like I said, a channel is used to broadcast messages to the subscribers of the channel. And if you want more subscribers, all you need to do is to share your link. So if people already know about your project, they can easily search for your channel, right? Like I said, we created a public channel. However, if you don't want them to go through the stress of searching for your channel, because there may be some spam channels created and you want them to get the authentic channel, all you need to do is to share with them your Telegram link. And this is the Telegram link over here. You just tap on it and tap on copy link. Your link will be copied, and then you can share it on your social media page so that all your followers can get into your channel and subscribe to your channel, and they can as well share it with their friends and family so that they can join in and subscribe to your channel, guys. Alright guys, so this is a simple process, and once you get this done, rest assured that your channel will be created successfully. I hope this video was helpful. If you do have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section, and rest assured that someone will be available to attend to you. And stay tuned for the next video on the Telegram series. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.